guys, how are you? Welcome to Mish Vlog. So today's video is gonna be about moving out because yes, I am finally moving out from my student residence. It's been such a long journey over here, and now I'm gonna pack with you all and move out to a new place. So I want you all to be with me when I'm going to the new place, when I'm gonna start this new journey, because I have shifted from a student to a work permit now, and I want you all to get an experience of all of that with me. So stay tuned for the rest of the video, and I wish for you to bear with me for this whole video. Also, don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Thank you. I'm gonna start clearing this out first because it's just broken and I want to get rid of it ASAP. So let's just do it.
Every shot from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is here.
Okay, so this is how it is looking like, but at least this is empty now, so this can go in the garbage now. Also, I'm probably just gonna cook right now because it's late afternoon and I'm so hungry, so let's just cook something. So I just decided to cook Indian today because I've been craving for Indian from so long. Although I don't know how to cook, but let's just see how it turns out. Please ignore my cooking skills because I suck. I honestly do. Okay, so all the veggies are done and now we're just gonna start cooking it. Let's see how it goes. And we're gonna cook kidney beans today. Finally done cooking and this is how it's looking. It looks good, but I hope it tastes good as well. So can't wait to try it. Hi you guys, by now I don't even have the track of time, like what time is it and what's going on, because honestly today has been shit. So yesterday I was able to pack everything and then today was all about shifting. So I had booked this U-Haul from past 1 week because I stay in a student residence, right? So everybody was about to move on the same day and I was afraid that I'm not gonna get any U-Haul. So I booked it way ahead of time. It hasn't rained from so many days, but of course it had to rain the day I was planning to move. So I made the elevator reservation of the new building according to the time of the U-Haul that I was gonna pick the U-Haul at, and after waiting for quite a while I did reach the U-Haul place to pick up the truck, although it was pouring and I was drenching in the rain. But as soon as I reached there and I was about to pick the truck, it wasn't allowing me to take the truck further because it was saying something like the person who was using it before hasn't returned all the equipment, so I will not be able to use the truck unless and until they return all the items. It was very weird, and it got more weird when I tried calling the truck owner. So they were not working that day because it was a Saturday obviously, and then I had to wait there for 2 or 3 hours I guess in the rain because there was no shed. So we had to wait there for 2 to 3 hours, but then nothing happened. So I had to call a friend for rescue, and then God really bless their soul for coming and helping me. So until they came I had to book Uber twice to take some stuff, and I think last of the stuff was taken by the subway because it stopped raining. So I was like, why not? So I took a few things through the subway too. Then it was hectic, so you're probably gonna see this video before the rain part and everything because I was so exhausted after that I wasn't able to shoot at all, for which I really apologize. So tomorrow is gonna be all about unpacking and everything. I also have to return the keys before 12 p.m. day after tomorrow, so I will have to go and clean the place. Otherwise they're just gonna take my deposit, so it's better I go and clean there. Stay tuned in the video because there's gonna be more fun.
Our hearts beat to the city.
Happy birthday!
Feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun.
Ah, the city.
let's just do the last bit, cleaning and garbage and all of that together, and then I'm just gonna give the keys. As I said, this is how the apartment is looking right now. It's very messy, but then again, this is mostly all garbage or things that one or two things that I still have to take. Oh, I'm gonna miss this view. And then yeah, so I still have to take all of this.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts.
So this is actually how it is looking right now. Really very messy, no organization at all. That's how I've kept my stuff for now, and yeah, at least that's there, but I got it from my previous apartment. So, and then that's how things are looking now. So we need a better organization, and let's see what we can do about it. Yeah. Hi you guys, it is finally the last part of the video. As you can see, I am at the new place, and then everything has been taken care of. Most of the things are like taken away. Yesterday all of the day was spent like unboxing everything and then getting rid of all the suitcases, so everything has been kept in the storage now, and it's coming along. As you must have seen that the place was unfurnished, so I have to buy everything from the scratch and then furnish it. So I'm trying to be mindful of the budget, so it's gonna take time to come along, but it surely will. Just can't wait to make new memories here, host parties and call my friends.
I'll host parties and call my friends.
See how this year is gonna go with this new place. Thank you for watching the video and for being so supportive. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.